Hey guys, just a really super quick video here. I wanted to talk about one of the kind of the newer products that I've been seeing online at Amazon and a few of the other like tool places, not Harbor Freight, but some of the higher end ones are these hanging tool cabinets that they're making now for like all your rechargeable drills and whatever you have that's rechargeable. That's this is a flashlight and screw guns and whatever else, right? So the only thing I wanted to say is, and I'll put up on the screen, of course, again, which model this was from Amazon. Was one of the lesser expensive ones, because it didn't come with a power strip, but I have tons of power strips around the garage that I haven't been using because when we shut down our shop, I brought all that stuff here. So anyway, I had one of these big Harbor Freight 12 plug outlet, 12 plug outlet strips. So I put that here on the ground. But I know I still need to do some tying up these wires just to make this look a little bit better. But the only important thing to note when you're shopping for one of these is you got to really look at the dimensions. When you look at them online in the pictures, they look like they're like this huge wall mount cabinet. This is like 23 inches here. This one. I mean, you wouldn't think you would get all your tools on there. And this was one of the bigger ones, right? There's smaller, there's ones that are like 16 inches, and I'm like, how do you. So that's the thing to be careful of. If you're gonna look for one of these, make sure that the size is what you expect it to be, or you're gonna be disappointed. Because some of them are like, close to $100, and if you ended up with something much smaller than you wanted for $100, I'd be disappointed, probably in sending that one back. But I definitely recommend this one. It was super easy to install. It was there's only 4 screws holding it to the wall. My walls in this garage are made of OSB, so I didn't have to hit a stud or anything like that, which makes things, of course, a lot easier. And assembly of each shelf. It's really just 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 parts. 6 parts. You fold these shelves out. 2 bolts on each side for each shelf, and you're done. So real simple, took no time. Very happy with this. Like I said, you can spend more, maybe you'd get more, but you also have to be careful you don't get less. So just my quick tip on these hanging rechargeable tool shelf things. See you on the next one.